Hello teachers, today's strategy comes to you from Heath Mathematics, copyright 1983. This is the level 4 textbook, which happens to be the math book that I used way back in 1983-84 school year when it was brand new. This activity or strategy today, it's a little bit of both, is one to help your students begin to understand fractions and also to kind of give them an idea of what equivalent fractions are. So if your students are struggling to understand fractions, equivalent fractions, anything dealing with fractions, maybe this activity will help you. If you do try it, I'd love to hear how it worked. So you're trying to teach your students fractions and regions and the different parts of fractions. What you're going to do is you're going to take a sheet similar to this one where you have a whole circle, a circle in fourths, a circle in eighths, a circle in halves. Give each student a copy. They need to cut it out. They keep this one whole, cut this into fourths, into eighths, into halves. That would leave them with something similar to this. Then you need to give each group, maybe you have 4 students working in a group, give each group a number cube. The number cube needs to have 1/8 on 4 of the sides. It needs to have 1/4 on one side and 1/2 on another side. Now the catch with this game is that as they are trying to fill the whole circle, they can only put 1/8 pieces on here. So if they roll, and they roll 1/8, they take one of their pieces, they put it on there. If they roll, and they roll something such as 1/4, they can't put 1/4 on here. So they have to take their 2 1/8 pieces, and if they need to, since it's a visual to kind of help them start seeing the relationship and equivalent fractions and those things, they can put the 2 pieces on there and say, oh, okay, 2 of these 1/8 pieces equal 1/4. They put that on their pie. Now, if they get to the end and they have 7/8 and they roll a 1/4 or a 1/2, they're out for that turn. They have to roll a 1/8. If they have 7/8 here, they have to roll 1/8 to fill in that remaining spot to make it a whole. This is meant to help students visually see fractions. For students who are visual learners, this helps them. For those that are hands-on, this helps them. But it will also start helping students understand the relationship, what equivalent fractions are. So this may be something you can use with your students. I hope this helps.